Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made my poncho in 10 minutes. So for my poncho I am using 1.5 yard of fabric. I'm gonna fold it into two first and then fold it again for the second time. Like I said, the length is depend on you. How long or how short you want your poncho to be. But make sure it's even. The first measurement I am taking is for the neck hole. You're gonna measure 3 inches at the top and then 2 inches at the bottom. After placing the measurement, you're gonna cut that piece off and that's gonna be your neck hole. Okay guys, so after cutting the neck hole, you're gonna open your fabric and then our next measurement is gonna be 1 inch from the bottom all the way to the top to the neck hole. So after taking the 1 inch off, this is how your poncho is supposed to look. So we're gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew all around our poncho. Supposed to treat you like bamble. If your heart will get you talent this now, you know your team, I don't know how to say, oh, yeah. Watch your mail, I did in my leave. Jabelle, I know food, say, the way I feel for you, my love, and I'm peeking back, oh. I will love you and only you.